Look at this lion. Does he not look mean? Let me show you up close to his mouth. Pretty mean looking lion. Then we got this baby rhinoceros over here. So you can see him there. He looks a little bit mean too. Let's go see what else we can find. Alright, so there you see we got a yellow-billed hornbill, and he's up there on the top of that little log.
Stretch out your thing and get him.
Seems to be cleaning himself. Let's see if we can get him a little closer. Over in here is a brown speckled type of a bird. He ain't doing much moving, but he's there, so not sure. There he's moving a little bit. And there's that hornbill up there again. They're neighbors.
Two little birds there. Little ducks or something.
Wow, okay, yeah. Down on the ground right in there. Over in there. A couple of different birds, whether the same type of bird.
It says pygmy goose.
Pygmy goose. Okay, so I guess that's what those two were.
And down there's some tortoise.
Oh yeah, okay, look.
Radiated tortoise.
Straight out there.
He's got
Radiated tortoise.
Big bowl of food.
Two of them's dark, one of them's a lighter, kind of a caramel brown color. Alright, let's keep moving. Okay, we got us a rhinoceros through here. I don't know.
Over here you can see him better.
I don't know if we can get any closer to him at all. He's right there behind that tree. You see him right over there. Now you see him for sure. He seems to be going in circles. He's a big boy. I found the rhinoceros again from a place here where you can eat at. Here he comes right there. So at least hopefully you got a little bit better shot of him. I'll let him come around one more time. I'll hold this out and up a little bit. All right, here he is again. And then I just wanted to show you over on these rocks. A bunch of little turtles hanging out over there. Maasai giraffe. Look at that. Looks like a baby, and then of course a great big one down over there. Look at those legs sprawled. Look at that. How cool is that? Hey guy. Is your name Jeffrey? You haven't given lunch? Are you hungry? Alright, so here, when we come over here, you see we got all these turtles. And this front guy's facing me. They're all just lined up with the ducks on either end. Isn't that funny? Ducks and turtles. I find that ironic. Hippopotamus emerged. That's his head over there. Now there is another one in there. See if he emerges. Look at there. Look at there. We got him emerged. Who? West African?
Crowned crane.
Crowned crane. Okay.
It's cute.
Well, I'm waiting to see if this guy comes at me. I mean, he's heading this way. All right, you can tell by this sign here, we got African spurred tortoise. And you see them all right there. There's 4 of them. How cool is that? This one's eating a pumpkin shell. Pretty colors, ain't they? We like them. All right, so where we just came out of, you see they have this setup here. Look how beautiful that is. And then they have a second one right here. So that leopard there. Guess he's a leopard. Wolves. And then monkeys here at the end. Pretty cool, huh?
Like the size of your face.
That's how a cat moves.
So
Hi.
what you're seeing is probably about
This is a screech owl. It's probably going to be very hard to see, but it's right there. Little tiny guy. I want to raise you up to where you'll be straight across from him. Found a view where I can maybe get this crowned crane. You see him right there. He's hanging out, so hopefully this will give you a decent shot of him. Alright, and you see these big guys here? These are called red-legged Sariema. Okay, that one just jumped up. And he pecked him in the head twice. Let's see if they go further. There he goes. There we go. We got some jump and some wing action right there. Yeah, look through that fence, okay? Can your friend raise his head up through the fence too? Guess not. Alright, well, see you next time, okay? Okay, I gotta say, I thought these two guys back here, there's one right by that tree right there, and there's one in the very back yonder. They're wallabies. I thought they were kangaroos.
And the other's an emu.
Yeah, and the ostriches that we just walked by are
Emu.
emus. So there's that. So you know, this right here is about as close to this guy as I can get. Don't know if you're going to see much of him, but that's him anyway. Alright, let's see if there's anything left. I think this is about done. Here we got kookaburras. So, they're just hanging out there. Very cute bird. Very fluffy looking bird. Look like they'd be pettable. Are you guys pettable? Right behind this glass we got some otters. I'm going to take you up overhead, try to get a shot up in that way. Alright, here we have speckled owls. That's the closest ones to us. You see those two guys sitting up there? You want to show me your pretty face? There you go. There you go. That's the pretty bird, ain't it? Are you the pretty bird? A king vulture.
Look at these.
Look at the colors on that dude's head. Hey, Mr. Colorful. Mr. Colorful.
He is so good. I've never seen one like that before with all those colors on it. It's pretty cool.
Really different. Look at them eyes.
Dark ones. I mean, he looked up.
Hey, we got little monkeys here. They're Lenny's two-toed sloth. Well, there's a sloth in here.
Is he eating a pickle? Is that a pickle?
I don't know what it is. Can't tell.
Here, let's just grab you a snack real quick, okay?
I found the sloth. Here he is, hanging in here. Yeah, hopefully you can see him through this glass here. Can't really seem to make it much better, but there he is, just hanging out. I found him. Wow, what a snake. Look at that head.
Hey, mommy, come here. Mommy.
Do you see the bat, Micah? It's flying.
Yeah, he's...
Look at the bat. Hey, Micah, get over here. Get over here.
Oh, two of them now. Look at this guy, looking right at me.
Go, baby. Go,
Here's his body. He's not the longest, but boy, he's fat. Here, look at that. Get one more look at that eyeball. What's this? Wow. Crazy. Great big turtle standing up underneath the water. Got his head above it. You see right there. Look at his body.
I got several pictures of him.
Oh, he stands. So he can let him stand up and stick his head out of the water. Wow, how crazy.
His head's in the front.
Look at the colors on this turtle. And you see him moving. Pretty cool. I like him. And down here is a much darker one. You see his head there. Pretty cool, huh? These little, I think, tree frogs or something. Blue and yellow dying dart frog, I think is what that says. Look at these guys. How weird. Here's another one over here.
Wow. If you stay long enough, you can get all kinds of good pictures of the snake. Wow.
Big old python, I reckon. Boa. A ground boa, it says. This is an Argentine tegu. T-E-G-U, I guess is how you pronounce it. You see his body back there. Hopefully you can see some of his face. Hard to tell with these angles sometimes. But that's him. Hey, look at this big gigantic guy. I mean, that thing is... I can't begin to tell how huge that is. And down here in the water, look, this other great big one. And right behind him, right there, is some big flathead turtle. Look at that. Is that not weird? Wow. Here's an Indian flying fox bat. And there is his
I
friend.
think it's a rock. Fluffy, look at how fluffy they are.
How wild is that? That thing has got to be about a foot long. Literally, these aren't small. That's crazy.